Hello guys, welcome back to the WIZZY YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put your Instagram account on private. If you want to put your Instagram account on private, this video is for you. Stick on this video, watch to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friend also. Putting your Instagram account on private will help you so much. If you don't want people to be downloading your video, viewing your profile, it will help you so much. All you have to do, all I need from you now is to stick and follow all my guidelines that I have to show you. Make sure you follow all my steps that I'm going to show you, all the guidelines and steps that I will show you, because I'm going to show you my screen now. Yes, I'm going to show you my screen. Watch to the end also, subscribe and share this video. So guys, let's go. So let's go into it. Open your Instagram account. Once you open it, then touch on your profile. Once you touch on your profile, you will see up here three line up here. Press on that three line, then you scroll down, go to accounts privacy, touch on it, touch on that account privacy, which is this one here. Touch on it, then make sure you read it carefully before you turn on. See, private account. When your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone or on or off Instagram, even if they don't have any Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, include your photos or video on hashtags and locations page. You see it, and your followers and following lists. You see it. Certain information on your profile. You see it, such as your profile pictures and user's name is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So what you got to do is to turn it on. You see, switch to private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and video. Read the down one before you turn on. This would change who can message, you see it, tag or mentions you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. You see it. No one can use your account. You see it. It helps to keep account safe. This, talking of profile, helps to keep Instagram account safe. You see it. Then continue. All reels, posts and stories that previously used your content in features, you see it, such as remix, sequences, templates or stickers, will be deleted. If you switch back to a public account within 24 hours, there will be restored. You see, this is so amazing. It's so amazing, so that people will not be penetrate into your account that much. So what you're going to do is to press switch to private. You switch it. It's not that hard. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friend. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friend. Thank you all.